So those straight brackets they give you, one end's gonna go into that side of the heat shield. The other end goes in that screw of the heat shield. You bend these to where your exhaust goes, but I had to drill new holes and cut them. And then you take the push pin out of that bracket, take a pair of pliers, bend the shit out of that bracket so you can get a screw to go in as tight as you can get it on both sides. But that side was the bolt because that's what side it was on. And then you leave that in the heat shield. And you put those two back in, of course. On the side pieces here, you're going to take the self-tappers, screw them up into there. And this side, you take the pin out, and then you drill the hole a little bit bigger, put a through bolt, basically, nut washer, both sides. And then at the end, this won't quite be straight or lined up, it'll be pushed down, so you just basically force it up to bend everything in place. Strafedesign is a shitty company, and I would never order anything else through them because it's been a year and I still haven't got half of my parts.
Get that.